How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Anchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know, that we were doing unit number 7, that is related to sports, and the last topic that we had discussed in the last session was sports vocab and some key points related to the Tokyo Olympics 2020 we have also discussed. So with that we have completed unit number 7. Okay, so in today's session I'm going to start with the next unit, that is unit number 8. So this is the next unit that we will start today, and the unit number 8 is related to the topic that is the world around us. So in unit number 8 we will discuss the different topics, okay, that are revolving around us, like जो हमारे आसपास की दुनिया में है या हो रहा है. So we will talk about all those things. Okay, so today we will start with the unit number 8, that is world around us. So I am just writing the unit here, unit number 8. This is what we are going to start in today's session. Now the first topic from the unit number 8 is globetrotting. So this is the next first topic from the unit number 8, that is globetrotting. So I am just writing it down here, that is, which is given at page number 14. So globetrotting is the topic that we will start in today's session. So all of you kindly open your books at page number 14, that is globetrotting. Okay, that is GLOBETROTTING, that is globetrotting, and this is given at page number 14. The topic is globetrotting and this is given at page number 14. So all of you write down the today's date, that is 17th August 2021 on the page number 14. Okay, so what is the meaning of the topic globetrotting? तो इसका मतलब क्या है, देखिए, these pictures show some fascinating monuments of the world. Read the clues and name these structures. Pick your answers from the help box. So in this globetrotting topic we will discuss about some of the famous monuments and the structures that are present all over the world. तो दुनिया में अलग अलग जो monuments और structures बने हुए बेटा, so we are going to talk about them in this topic. Okay, so basically this topic is related to the monuments and the structures that are man-made or natural-made. Okay, so first of all we will discuss the heading here. The heading is, these pictures show some fascinating monuments of the world. Read the clues and name these structures. Pick your answers from the help box on the next page. Okay, so here are some pictures of some famous monuments and some famous structures are given, and we have to read the clues that are given in front of them, and then we have to so that, and then we will write the names of these famous monuments as well, or the structures. Okay, so the first is, this star located in Italy has 294 steps inside it. So this is the picture that you can see over here. Okay, so देखिए ये picture, the first that is given over here is, this is a picture of a tower, okay, that is located in Italy and it has 294 steps. Now what is the meaning of steps here? Steps means सीढ़ी. Okay, steps means सीढ़ी. So if we talk about the steps, this monument has 294 steps inside it. Okay, and where is it located? It is located in Italy, and this is called Leaning Tower of Pisa. This tower is known as Leaning Tower of Pisa. So why is it known as Leaning Tower of Pisa? This is the most important and very interesting story behind it is that it seems like this star is leaning. Leaning means girna. Okay, the star, basically the stars they stand like this. Basically the stars they stand like this. But this Leaning Tower of Pisa, it has a little bit look like this. Okay, so it is little bit like this. Okay, so it is seems like it is slanting somewhere. Okay, ये किसी तरफ झुका हुआ. Okay, so झुक रहा है. So its look is like this. It is slanting. It is so not slanting. It is leaning. Okay, तो लेटता हुआ नजर आ रहा है. So that's why it is known as the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Okay, and this is located in Italy. And it is being said that this Leaning Tower of Pisa is leaning every year. Leaning down and down every day. It is being said, whether it's true or not, that I don't know, but it is being said that this Leaning Tower of Pisa, that is keep on leaning. लोग कहते हैं कि वो दिन ब दिन लेटता हुआ जा रहा है, but it is not actually true. I don't think so. अगर अब तक होता तो that must have been lied down on the ground. But this is known as Leaning Tower of Pisa, and it is located in Italy, and it has 294 steps inside it. So write down the answer for the first one. That is leaning. That is Leaning Tower of Pisa. This is Leaning Tower of Pisa, and it is located in Italy. Leaning Tower of Pisa is located in Italy. Moving next to the second one. So the second picture you can see. Okay, so this is the second picture. So what the clue is given about it? This temple in Athens, Greece, is dedicated to the Greek goddess Athena. It was built in the 5th century BCE. Okay, so now we are talking about a temple that is located in Athens. Okay, so this is the picture of a temple. Okay, this is a picture of a temple that is located in Athens. Athens is the name of a place in Greece, and this temple is located in Greece. And जैसे हम लोग कहते हैं कि भगवान शिव का मंदिर है, माता रानी का मंदिर है, साई बाबा का मंदिर है, तो हम ऐसे बोलते हैं. So just like that, these Greek people, they also tell us this temple is dedicated to a Greek goddess. तो ग्रीक लोगों की जो ग्रीक लोग हैं वो एक गॉडेस को, जो एक माता की फीमेल फिगर को, जिसको वो प्रे करते हैं, दे जस्ट वर्शिप. Okay, so this is being said, this is the temple that is dedicated to the Greek goddess Athena. So the name of the goddess is Athena. It was built in the 15th century. और ये कहा जाता है कि this temple that is located in Athens, it was built in the 15th century. 15वीं सदी में बना था. Okay, century BCE. What is the meaning of BCE? BCE means before common era. Earlier it was BC, पहले उसको BC बोलते थे, before Christ, but now it is BCE. The full form is BC is before common era. Okay, so this temple is located in the Athens in Greece, and it is dedicated to the Greek goddess Athena. Okay, and it was built in the 5th century. बना कब था? 5th century में. So what is the name of the temple? The name of the temple is, that is Parthenon. The name of this temple is, the second picture with the name of this temple, which is given at number 2. This is the name of this temple is Parthenon. So write down the answer for the second one. That is Parthenon. Parthenon. That is Parthenon. Okay. Parthenon is a temple that is located in the Athens, Greece, and it is dedicated to the Greek goddess Athena. Okay, so this is the answer for the first and the second one. Chalo. Moving next to the third one. Situated in Beijing, China, this is one of the world's largest palaces complexes. This palace was the seat of power during the rule of the Ming and the Qing dynasties. So now we are talking about a palace, the biggest palace in the world. Okay, and it is located in Beijing, China. So Beijing is the capital of China. Beijing क्या है? China की capital है. And this is the biggest palaces. Okay. दुनिया की सबसे this is one of the world's largest palace complexes. Palace means Rajmahal, the where the kings used to rule. Okay, the king का जो घर था, that the घर थे, उनको palace बोला जाता था. This is one of the very largest palace complexes in the world, and it is located in Beijing, China. So Beijing is the name of a city that is located in China, and this palace is located there only. And this was the seat of power during the rule of the Ming and Qing dynasties. जब Ming and Qing dynasty, this must be the rule. Okay, ये कोई भी उनके जो उनके टाइम के शासन काल जो राजा वगैरह थे, तो उनका नाम होगा बेटा. Okay, so जब उनका राज्य था, so when they were ruling over the China, so at that time, the whosoever holds the king position in this palace, he has the more power. He is the most powerful person in the China. तो किंग और मिंग डायनेस्टी के टाइम पे जब जो भी राजा उस वक्त इस पैलेस में राज करता था, okay, he was the most powerful king of that era. Okay, so what is the name of this largest, one of the world's largest palace complexes? So the name of this is Forbidden City. So the name of this is Forbidden City. So write down the answer, that is Forbidden City. So I am writing the third one, that is Forbidden, FORBIDDEN, that is Forbidden City. So Forbidden City is one of the largest palace complexes in the world, and it is located in Beijing, China. Okay, and this seat holds the most powerful position during the Qing and Ming dynasties. Okay, sure. Moving next to the fourth one. This bridge opened in the year 1937 in the San Francisco, USA, and took less than 5 years to be built. This links San Francisco to the marine country in the north. So what is the name of this bridge? So this is Golden Gate Bridge. So first of all, let's pay attention towards the picture of this Golden Gate Bridge. So this is the one of the largest bridges in the world, as well as this bridge was built in a very less period of time. जो आज की जो bridges हैं उनको भी बनने में 4 से 5 साल लग जाते हैं, but during the 1937 this bridge was one of the largest bridge in the world. It was built in just 5 years during the 1937. So let's see what is given about this bridge, what information we can see here. Okay, so this bridge opened in 1937 in the San Francisco. तो ये bridge 1937 में San Francisco में खोला गया था. San Francisco is the name of a city in the USA. So this bridge was opened in the 1957 in San Francisco, USA, and it took less than 5 years. तो इसको बनाने में 5 साल से भी कम समय का टाइम लगा to build this bridge. It links San Francisco to the marine country in the north. So what is the main motto, or you can say कि इस bridge को बनाने का फ़ायदा क्या हुआ? So due to this bridge, so various marine countries were linked to the San Francisco. So San Francisco is one of the biggest cities in the USA, and this bridge that was built in 1937 in Francisco. So when it was built, so it has it has linked. इसकी वजह से बहुत सारी जो marine countries थी, they got linked with the San Francisco. Okay, and the most important thing about this Golden Gate Bridge is that it was built in the less time period, that is near about less than 5 years. Okay, so the name of this bridge is Golden Gate Bridge. The fourth is Golden Gate Bridge. BRIDGE, that is bridge. Golden Gate Bridge. So this Golden Gate Bridge was built in 1937 in San Francisco, and it took less than 5 years to build that bridge. Moving next to the fifth one. Now we are talking about one of the very beautiful structure in our country, okay, in our country India. This beautiful house of worship is located in the New Delhi, India. It was completed in the year 1986 and has won many awards for its unique design. So now we are talking about one of the very beautiful house of worship in India. So this is a very beautiful structure, okay, or like this, like a temple. It's a temple that is a very beautiful structure. It's a very beautiful design, okay, and इसके design की वजह से this is known, it has been listed, it has won many awards for its unique design. So what is the name of this temple? So this is Lotus Temple, okay. So I'll show you the picture in the book, so you must have seen it as well. हो सकता है आप में से कुछ लोगों ने visit भी किया हो. So this is Lotus Temple. You can see why is it known as Lotus Temple. इसको Lotus Temple कहाँ क्यों जाता है? Because of what its outlook, इसके unique design की, इसके outlook की वजह, इसके roof के structure की वजह से. Okay, so you can see the roof structure of this temple. Okay, तो ये एक lotus की तरह, बंद lotus की तरह दिखता है. So that's why it is known as the Lotus Temple. Okay, so Lotus Temple is one of the very beautiful place of worship, okay, and it was completed in the year 1986. So ये कब बन के तैयार हुआ था? In the year 1986, and it has won many awards for its unique design. Due to such a beautiful, इसकी इतनी सुंदर डिज़ाइन की वजह से, यूनिक डिज़ाइन की वजह से इसको बहुत से अवार्ड्स भी मिले. So what is the name of this beautiful structure? That is Lotus Temple. That is Lotus Temple. So these are the answers from 1 to 5. You can pause your videos here and note it down in your books. Okay, kindly write the correct spellings in your book. The first is Leaning Tower of Pisa. Second is Parthenon. Third is Forbidden City. Fourth is Golden Gate Bridge. And the fifth is Lotus Temple. So note it down in your notebooks fast, in your books. Now, moving next to the sixth one. So, the next picture or the next beautiful structure or the monument is, the sixth is this popular landmark in Sydney, Australia is a concert hall with a unique roof design that looks like it is made of gleaming white sails. So now we are talking about one of the very unique and beautiful concert hall in Sydney, Australia. Okay, and this is one of the largest concert halls in the world. Okay, and why is it so famous? Because of the unique design of its roof. Okay, because it is designed like this, that seems like a gleaming white sails. So what is the meaning of gleaming white sails? So I'll just give an example. Suppose you must have seen a ship. आपने एक ship देखी होगी. Okay, so उसके ऊपर आपने अक्सर ऐसे देखा ना, कपड़ा सा लगा होता है. Okay, so this होता है. Why this is like this? Okay, ये ऐसे नहीं होता. तो इस drawing मेरी नाम को है. Okay, so this is like this. Okay. Okay. अक्सर ऐसा होता है. So that is especially on the ships. Okay. So why is it made? तो ये बनाया जाता है so that this जहाँ जिस तरफ भी wind blow हो रही है, it can increase the speed of the wind. The speed of the ship can be increased. So this is just like this. This is you can see the picture over here. Okay, so the picture showing that इसकी रूफ है, इसका बड़ा यूनिक डिज़ाइन है, जैसे ये कोई सेलिंग करता हुआ कोई बोट हो या शिप हो. Okay, so due to its unique design of its roof, Okay, this is also very famous. Other than that, it is located in the Sydney, Australia, and this is one of the world's largest concert hall. So what is the name of this concert hall? That is Opera House. So the answer for the sixth one is Opera House. That is OPERA. That is house. Opera House. Moving next to the seventh one. This ancient city in Pakistan now runs, this ancient city in Pakistan, now in ruins, date back to the Indus Valley civilization. The name of this city means the Mount of Dead. So what is the name of this city? So that is Mohenjo-daro. Okay, so Mohenjo-daro, okay, this is the city. Nowadays it is located in Pakistan. Okay, so what is the story behind it is, so the story behind Mohenjo-daro is this, कि ये Mohenjo-daro है बेटा, that is now it is being located in Pakistan. Now this city Mohenjo-daro has totally ruins भी पूरी तरह से ख़त्म हो चुकी है. अब ये ख़त्म कैसे हो चुकी है? Okay, so बोला था कि प्रलय आई थी कि जिसमें all these cities they just got vanished into the ground, एंड यहाँ पे बहुत तबाही मची थी, जिसकी वजह से यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोगों की, बहुत सारे जानवरों की, पेड़ पौधों सबकी डेथ हुई थी. एंड दैट्स वाई इसका जो नाम रखा गया है मोहनजोदारो. सो दैट्स वाई दिस सिटी इज़ नेम्ड एज मोहनजोदारो. सो व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ मोहनजोदारो? सो मोहनजोदारो मीन्स द माउंट ऑफ डेड. सो वेयर यू विल फाइंड डेड्स एंड डेड्स एवरीवेयर, जहाँ हर तरफ डेड्स नजर आए, दैट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस. दैट इज़ the Mount of Death. So this city is named after, because due to a कोई एक calamity, the natural calamity, so this happens that this city is completely ruined, and this was a part of Indus civilization. Okay, Indus Valley civilization. So what is the name of this city? That is Mohenjo-daro. देखिए Mohenjo-daro, MOHENJODARO. Okay, that is Mohenjo-daro. Moving next to the eighth one. The eighth is, this structure located in Istanbul, Turkey, was first a church, then was made into a mosque, and currently a museum. So what is the name of this structure or the monument? तो देखिए, this is structure is located in Istanbul, Turkey. So basically this is structure जिसकी हम बात करें, it is located in Istanbul, Turkey. So I'll just tell you the name of this place. This is Hagia Sophia. The name of the place is Hagia Sophia, which is located in Istanbul, Turkey. Okay, and it's a little bit story behind it. This structure located in Istanbul, Turkey, was first a church. पहले ये एक church था. So this Hagia Sophia, earlier it was a church, then was made into a mosque. तो पहले वो चर्च था, फिर उसको चेंज करके एक मॉस्क्यू में मस्जिद में कन्वर्ट कर दिया गया, एंड नाउ अ डेज इट इज़ रनिंग एज अ म्यूजियम. अब वहाँ पे क्या है? म्यूजियम. देखिए दिस हागिया सोफिया, अर्लियर इट वाज अ चर्च. पहले वो एक चर्च था, ओके, गिरजाघर जिसको हम बोलते हैं, एंड देन इट इज़ कन्वर्टेड इनटू मॉस्क्यू, फिर उसको एक मस्जिद बना दिया गया, एंड आफ्टर दैट नाउ अ डेज इट इज़ सर्विंग एज अ म्यूजियम. म्यूजियम मीन्स संग्रहालय. Okay, so now it is serving as a museum. So what is the name of this monument or the structure that is located in Istanbul, Turkey? That is Hagia Sophia. That is Hagia Sophia. देखिए 8th Hagia, HAGIA, Hagia Sophia, SOPHIA. That is Hagia Sophia. Okay. So Hagia Sophia is also one of the very unique structure, okay, in the world. That was earlier, and it is located in Istanbul, Turkey. Earlier it was a church, then it was converted into a mosque, and nowadays it is serving as a museum. That is Hagia Sophia. Moving next to the 9th one. The 9th is, this is the largest temple in the world, and it was built by the king Suryavarman II in the 12th century. It was depict scenes from the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. So now we are talking about one of the largest temple in the world that was built by King Suryavarman II in the year 9 in the 12th century. So अब दुनिया की सबसे which is the largest temple in the world? Which is the largest temple in the world? You must be knowing it because that question we have done in the extra question answers of the current affairs. So the largest temple in the world is Angkor Wat. So here in this we are talking about the Angkor Wat only. So Angkor Wat is the largest temple in the world. ये दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा टेम्पल है एंड इट वॉज बिल्ट बाय किंग सूर्यवर्मन टू. ये किसने बनवाया था? किंग सूर्यवर्मन टू ने. एंड इट वॉज बिल्ट बाय हिम इन द 12th सेंचुरी. उन्होंने 12वीं सदी में ये बनवाया था. इट वॉज दिस temple is the largest temple in the world and it was built by King Suryavarman II in the 12th century. Its wall depicts scenes from the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. Okay, और जो ये जो Angkor Wat है बेटा, और this the walls of this temple Angkor Wat, it depicts, okay, so there are certain pictures, not pictures you can say, मतलब craving is there with the, मतलब वहाँ पे जो पत्थर हैं उनको तोड़ के वहाँ पे scenes बनाए गए हैं. And mostly the scenes or the pictures or the images that you can see on the walls of Angkor Wat, that is related to the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. Okay, so basically the scenes from the Ramayana and the Mahabharata, that have been engraved on the walls of Angkor Wat. So Angkor Wat is the largest temple in the world. Okay, and this was built in the 12th century by the King Suryavarman II. And the walls of this Angkor Wat depicts the scenes from the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. So the name of the temple is Angkor Wat. So write down the answer for the 9th one. That is Angkor Wat. Moving next to the 10th one. The 10th is, okay, so I'll just show you the picture of Angkor Wat. मैंने Hagia Sophia Angkor Wat picture ही आपको दिखाई नहीं. This is Hagia Sophia. So it is located in Istanbul, Turkey. So earlier it was a church, then it is converted into a mosque. Now it is serving as a museum. And this is Angkor Wat. This is the largest temple in the world, and it was built by King Suryavarman II in the 12th century. Now the next one is, this huge monument in Java is a popular Buddhist pilgrimage site. So now we are talking about a huge monument that is located in Java. So Java is the name of a place where this monument is being located, and ये बुद्धिस्ट लोगों की एक पिलग्रिमेज साइट है. बुद्धिस्ट लोगों की एक तीर्थ स्थान है. So what is the name of this place? That is Borobudur. That is Borobudur. So you can see the picture. Huge monument of Lord Buddha is here. आपको भगवान बुद्ध का एक बहुत बड़ा monument नज़र आ रहा है बेटा, and that is located in Java. Okay, and this is, और ये जैसे कि हमारी जो तीर्थ स्थान है जैसे मथुरा, काशी, okay, they have been Rameshwaram. These are known as the pilgrimage site for the Hindus. Okay, and just like that, Makkah, Medina, okay, that is known as a pilgrimage, that is a pilgrimage site for the Muslims. Okay, those who follow the Muslim religion. Okay, that's like a Hajj for them. So just like that, okay, the people who follow Buddhist religion, जो लोग Buddhist religion को follow करते हैं, okay, so this is a great pilgrimage site for the Buddhist. Okay, and this is located, so where is it located? This famous Buddhist pilgrimage is located in Java. So what is the name of this huge monument? Okay, Buddha, that is known as Borobudur. Write down the answer. That is Borobudur. That is Borobudur. B-O-R-O-B-U-D-U-R. That is Borobudur. So these are the answers from 6 to 10. Okay, so the 6th one is Opera House, 7th is Mohenjo-daro, 8th is Hagia Sophia, 9th is Angkor Wat, and 10th is Borobudur. So you can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay class? So this was from my today's session. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So, okay, so this was from today's session as well, class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.